Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button for the latest videos. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and maybe share with a friend. Both those really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is a great gift set from a company called Naked Armor. If you have, for that special man in your life, if you have upcoming graduation, Father's Day, Christmas, and you're looking for a great gift, I'm going to recommend this kit. So, what everything you get, it's going to come in this nice little box, and you're going to get this rosewood handle with traditional 5-blade shaver. You're also going to get a badger brush or shaving brush. And then you're going to get some handmade facial shaving soap. So let's go over each one of these little items. First off, we'll go over the razor. It's very well balanced. Has a nice metal base. The blade here is removable, so you just press the button like a normal shaver. You can pick up, they recommend Gillette's, I think, Fusion 5 blades. Now, I don't have that particular blade, so I haven't been able to test how well they fit. But looking at the setup, it does look like a standard Gillette refillable. If you're the type of person that has a razor that's kind of on display or out in the bathroom sink, you really should upgrade your game. This hangs really nicely. The wood looks really nice. So that's the razor. Everything's very ergonomical, fits in your hand very well. Then like I said, you're going to get a badger brush or this. Now, that's kind of what it was called, and it has the matching wood. That's what it was called back in the older days. I know they still make a lot of them with badger hair. This is not, however, so if you're worried about animal cruelty or anything like that, this is just synthetic hair. Which is, the advantage of that is you don't have to worry as much about heat when you're running this under hot or warm water. If you do that with a true badger hair, you got to be careful with the heat because it can damage, just like your normal hair, it can damage the hair. But so this is to get a nice wet shave. And if you've never experienced a wet shave, go to your local barber shop if they do shaves and get one. It's absolutely amazing and relaxing, and you can have that at home. And that's why this is kind of a great kit, because it takes a little bit more work than just grabbing that tube and applying that just tube shaving cream, but it's really, really worth it. So you're going to take this brush, you'll soak it, get it nice and wet, and then kind of wring out the water because you don't want it drenched. And then you're going to use the shaving soap. So their little facial shaving soap here, it's a little shaving puck. Now there's a couple versions of these. You can get the pucks, or you can also get them in canisters. I kind of like the canisters because it's something to hold. But a puck is easy. You can either hold it, but it gets kind of messy. Or you can use like a glass bowl and just put it in here. And eventually the soap's going to kind of fill the bowl and collect along the sides. And then you get a lot of nice soap on your brush here. And then you'll use another bowl to kind of whip it up in a nice little foam. And I'm going to put a video at the end of this that kind of shows me going through this whole process and shaving and all that. So be sure to check out the description to jump to that if you have more questions. But another way to easily get it nice and foaming up is to use a Scuttle Bowl. So how this works is you fill this up with hot water, and then you just plug it up, and you put a little bit of water in here. Now you've got soap on your brush, and you just start kind of going around in a circle, and after a few minutes, it will really start foaming up, and this whole bowl will be filled with nice, rich foam. I do like so when I get kind of prepping, I fill this with hot water, and then I kind of pour it out, and then fill it up again with some more hot water, so that way the bowl's nice and warm, which gives you that nice kind of warm when you're applying the shaving soap. Now, one of the big advantages of shaving soap versus the shaving cream that I want to touch on is if you suffer from like razor burn or redness, the shaving soap really does help with that. At least in my experience, it does. It's much more hydrating for your skin, and a lot of them are made with kind of natural ingredients, and they smell great. So if anything, the shaving soap is a big improvement on your shaving game. And like I said, it makes a great gift because this may be something that you're just used to going to the store, picking up a bottle of shaving cream, picking up whatever plastic razor is on sale, and not really thinking about it. And I know that's how I was for many years. So kind of giving this as a gift, or getting this as a gift, it kind of makes you sit there and say, oh, well, let me try it. And then you realize, oh, well, you know, there is a better way of shaving out there, and it's much more enjoyable. And sure, it may take a little bit more time, but not much for the benefits you gain out of it. So out of this kind of gift set, that's everything you get. Like I said, you're going to get a nice shaving soap puck. You're going to get the Badger shaving brush here with the matching razor that is easy to use. And like I said, I'll include a link in the description if you want to. It'll take you to Naked Armor's website, take you to this gift set if you want to check it out for yourself. I'll also include a link to Amazon that'll take you to Amazon if you prefer to shop with them. You can check out the product on their website. Naked Armor also makes a lot of straight blade razors. So if you're wanting to be more adventurous and get a great shave and a blade that will last you forever, you can check out those too. But if that's a little too intimidating and you want to stick with a more of a traditional or an easy set, then I recommend this little kit here. So that is basically it. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and play a video for you now of you just kind of seeing me whipping up the shaving soap and using the razor. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. All right, so we've got our Badger brush. We've got the shaving soap, which this is going to give a great shave. And then we got the rosewood here, handle, razor. So let's go ahead and get this started. Now, the best thing to do is for the shaving soap, if you have a little bowl, you want to put that in here so that way you can kind of whip it up. But even better if you have a Scuttle Bowl, that's ideal. So that would be this. How this kind of works is you undo this cork here, you fill it up with hot water, and it keeps this nice and warm. And then you can do two kind of methods. You can put the soap in here in the bottom. Now that's going to give you a much more soapier shave, or you can just gather off the soap if you have it in a separate bowl and then kind of whip it up and get a nice little lather going. So go ahead and put a little water in here and make sure our brush was soaking here. Now you kind of have to, you'll learn with the kind of water that, how much water you need and whatnot, of how to get a nice good lather. Just gonna work it in the bowl here. As you can see, we're starting to get a nice lather. And you just kind of run it around in a circle until it gets to the consistency that you want. And like I said, to me, a Scuttle Bowl here makes this a lot easier. Yeah, so we're getting it really well now here. Once you got that, then we just enjoy your shave. as simple as that. The shaving soap, really, I can't stress enough. It just it get rid of that that kind of razor burn, red bumps, the redness. I don't experience any of that with shaving soap. It's a lot. It hydrates the skin, and it gives you a nice, good, clean shave. Obviously, like I said earlier, the Scuttle Bowl really helps getting that kind of foam up. It is a little bit more work than just grabbing that tube and squirting it in your hand, but it is kind of a lot more relaxing process. So I think you'll be kind of surprised how easy it is as you get going. And then, like I said, if you like a more of a traditional razor, this is looks great, makes a great gift. It is, like I said also earlier in the review, it's the head part is changeable, so as the blades wear out, it's easy to go and get replacements. And yeah, that's basically it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.